1991, the Persian Gulf. During Operation Desert Storm, the crew aboard the USS Theodore Roosevelt is on full alert. In the early morning hours of February 20th, J.D. and a new recruit are preparing for the takeoff of an A-6 fighter jet. The trainee positions the front wheels of the plane and moves back. That's when J.D. steps forward to check his work, but he makes a big mistake.
I don't know why or what crossed my mind the way I entered the plane, but it was wrong because I should have been kneeling and I wasn't.
Watch again as J.D. moves in front of the engine. Suddenly, J.D. is sucked inside. Now he's in a desperate fight for his life. The helpless man struggles as he's pulled into the deadly blades of the massive jet engine.
It sucked off my helmet, it sucked off my goggles, it took my gloves off my hand, chewed my float coat, my shirt, and my jacket up all the way around me.
Then, in an amazing stroke of luck, J.D.'s helmet flies off his head and jams the engine's razor-sharp blades, causing him to slow down. A fellow crewman sees the engine malfunction and quickly signals the pilot to shut it down, just seconds before J.D. would have been ripped to shreds. Flight deck personnel race to the scene, expecting the worst. But to their amazement, J.D. claws his way out of the engine. Later, he recounts the terrifying moment for his fellow crewmen.
All the air was rushing through the intake, and it was sucking my air. I couldn't get any air. And then I heard him shut down the engine, and I looked back, and I just started pulling myself out, and that's the last thing I remember.
This is truly a remarkable story of survival. J.D. knows that it's nothing short of a miracle.
Somebody was looking out for me.